Introduction. Hello everyone. I'm Vitali. And today I'm excited to introduce you to the Texture Baking Assistant. A new plugin for Blender that simplifies and streamlines the texture baking process. Whether you're new to Blender or a seasoned pro, I believe you'll find this tool to be a valuable addition to your workflow. So let's dive in. Installation. First, let's go over how to install the plugin. After purchasing or downloading the Texture Baking Assistant from the BlenderMarket, you'll receive a zip file. To install the plugin, open Blender. Navigate to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons greater than Install. Locate the zip file on your system. Select it, and click Install Add-on. Ensure the checkbox next to the plugin is checked to activate it. Overview. Now let's go over what the Texture Baking Assistant does. This plugin is designed to make the process of baking textures in Blender more convenient and efficient. It does so by providing a simplified and intuitive user interface, where you can choose which textures to bake using checkboxes, rather than having to do each one separately. This not only saves time but also reduces the chance of making mistakes. Let's see it in action. With our object selected and the Texture Baking Assistant panel open, we can select which textures we want to bake. After we've made our selection, we simply hit the Bake Textures button, and the plugin does the rest. As you can see, the Texture Baking Assistant makes baking textures in Blender a breeze. It's an indispensable tool for anyone working with textures in Blender, and I believe it will make a great addition to your workflow. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the Texture Baking Assistant or if you need support, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me directly. And if you found this plugin helpful, consider supporting its development by purchasing it on the BlenderMarket. Your support is greatly appreciated. Happy baking! Quote.